In this video, I'm going to show you two methods or two ways to install SQLite 3 on Windows, macOS, and Linux. The first method is installing SQLite extension for Visual Studio Code. In some cases, the extension does not work properly. That's why I'm going to show you the second method, and that is installing SQLite 3 tools directly from the official website of SQLite 3. I have created here a folder, SQLite installation guide. You can also do the same. Create a folder and open with code. Beautiful. And then here go to extensions. I have already here two extensions installed. And search here SQLite. You can explore it and read the feature settings and what it can do before installing. Let us install the first one with this logo. Beautiful. Very nice. Go to the Explorer. Create here two files. commands.sql. Another one data.db or SQLite. Select it commands, and here we can write SQL scripts. For example, create table, users, ID, primary key and integer, email, text, unique and not null. To save time, I have prepared some SQL scripts. Paste it here. Beautiful. When you right click here, you see run query, run selected query, use database. For now, this is only one line. There is nothing else. We can run the query. Now it asks us choose a database. You can choose a database. You can use a memory database for testing, or you can use your database here. Beautiful. Now our table is created. Let us insert some data. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Insert into this table users, email, phone, full name, address, and role, and values. These are the values. Select it, right click, and now run selected query. Very nice. Beautiful. Now select everything from users, selected, and run selected query, and here is our rows and columns. Beautiful. The same way we can create another table with the name contact, run selected query. Beautiful. Insert into contact the name of the columns, email, subject, created date, and MSG message, values, example, gmail.com, subject, my email, subject, created date, this one, and message is hello there, welcome to this channel, like the video. Just an example. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Close it, select it, and run it. Now select everything from contact. Beautiful. And here is email, my subject, the created date, and the message. Beautiful. Now let me show you the second method. In case you got error and the extension does not work for you, the second solution will definitely work. Open your browser and type install SQLite3. Now here you have SQLite.org. Here you have the source code, documentation, pre-compiled binary for Android, pre-compiled binaries for Linux, pre-compiled binaries for Mac OS X, pre-compiled binaries for Windows, and pre-compiled binaries for .NET and WebAssembly and JavaScript. And further, you have more information. If you are using Linux, you can install this one, and if you are using Mac OS, you can use this one or this one based on the processor of your computer. This one is for ARM and this one is for x64. My computer is Windows with the system type x64, so I download this one. Go to your download folder and here it is. Extract all. Here we have 4 different files, but we only need this one. Control C and Control V. To learn how these tools work, you can always come and check the documentation. Back to Visual Studio Code. Let us create another database, SQLite3 db.sqlite. The extension doesn't matter, SQLite or .db. Now we are not going to use the extension, but we are going to use this .exe file. So go to the terminal, new terminal. Here we want to open this database with this program or this tool, SQLite. We have to call it to execute it. And then after that we gave the name of the database or the path to that database with its name. Beautiful. If you want to learn all the commands, you can use .help and you have all these commands. To exit, you can just use exit. To run again, use the same thing. And here you can enter any SQL command or script. For example, let us create this table. Copy, Control V, and here this semicolon is very important. If you don't add this, it does not execute and it will throw error. So enter, very nice. And to see your tables, you can just use dot table or dot tables. Both work the same. So here now we have the table users. Let us insert some data. And selected everything from users, and here you see that data: ID, email, phone number, full name, address, and role. There are many useful commands here in SQLite that you can use to modify, change, set, and customize how it should behave and how it should display the tables. Let us create also the contact. Control C, Control V. You can do multiple things at once. Control C, Control V, paste, and also display it. Control C, Control V. So at once we created the table, we inserted some data, and also queried or asked the data. You can move this file to a specific folder and add the path to that folder and this file to your system variables, and then you can access this program or tool from anywhere using your command line or terminal. But to make this video simple, I copied the file directly inside my project. That's it guys, I hope it was helpful. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We have published many courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects, and with your everyday life. So watch also our other videos. Take care and have beautiful times.